Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to promote Digistore products for free. So first thing that you should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bars, you just have to type out Digistore. Okay, and then you'd be redirected to this page once you clicked on the website. Then here we just have to click on the start now. It's free to sign up. Okay, so you just have to click on it. And right here, you just have to type out your public username and then your email. Then you have to create your password, and then you just have to confirm your password. And then after that, you just have to choose what your main source of revenue. So for example, you're a vendor or you primarily sell on your own products, or you are an affiliate and you primarily promote the products of other vendors. Okay, so let me just finish typing out my password and then confirm my password right here at the next box. Because right here, I'm going to select this one and then make sure to click on these box. Okay, and then click on continue after that. Okay, so you just have to save your password in this browser, or you can also click on never. So right here, what would be the title? Okay, so I'm just going to put here my nickname. Okay, and then here make sure to type out your full name. Okay, not your nickname. And then your company, your address, as well as the house number, and then the, for example, flat, suite, unit, building, floor, or etc. Okay, and then of course your zip code, and then your city, state, and then your country, of course. So you just have to finish this one. Okay, so you can sign up. Then here at the very bottom, you have your phone number, and then if you would like to add your Skype name or Telegram ID, so just click on register for now. Okay, and then right here, you'd be redirected to this page, so you can watch this video first before going to your homepage. So let me just click on my homepage over here. Okay, and then you have to click on the logged in option again, since we already created our account. So you just have to type out your email and then your password. Okay, and then here you'd be directed to this place. You just have to click on the marketplace and then click on this all offers option. Okay, and then here on the all offers on the affiliate marketplace, you'll be able to see these different products. Okay, so you just have to look for the product that you want to sell and get your profit. Okay, so for example, here we have the product categories: digital products, events and seminars, services, shipping products, filters, and then we also have the payment method at the very bottom. So here, for example, in the digital products, for example, I am going to choose the, we have languages here, law and justice, social media, services, software, and etc. Okay, so you just have to choose your topic. So for example, let's talk about trading products. Okay, so we'd be able to see here different digital products for trading products. Okay, so maybe I am going to use this affiliate compass ebook. Okay, and then when you clicked on this one, be able to see here the details of this product. So we have the price, the commission, the vendors, the online store, as well as the payment methods for this product. Okay, so what you're going to do next now is we have to promote this product. Okay, so you just have to click on the promote now option after reading the details of this product. Then we'll be able to see here the link. So we just have to copy this one. Okay, and then you just have to click on confirm after that. So I'll be using Twitter to promote this product. Okay, so let me just use tiny URL, and I am going to shorten the affiliate link for this product. Okay, so you just have to enter the long link here, and then you can also create your alias. Okay, so after that, you just have to close this one. And then for example, I'm going to use this name, or just simply type out something like make money, and then you just have to shorten the link. Okay, after that, you just have to copy this one, and then you have to go to your Twitter account. And then here on Twitter, for example, I'm going to search for make money online, and you'd be able to see here trending topics or posts about making money online. So just have to look for a very relevant topics, and then let's try to copy their format. So for example, this one over here. So I want to expand this one so you can see the views of this post. It's about 21,000. So let's go back here. So we just have to create our post. So what we're going to do here now is we just have to simply type out something like make money or make $100 to $200 a day. Okay, so in a day, and then after that you just have to add another tweet. Okay, so you just have to click on this plus icon over here, and then we can use an online tool which is a chat GPT to help us create ways on how to make money online. So for example, let's go to chat GPT, and then I am going to type out right here, give me 5 steps on how to create money online. Okay, so for example, give me 5 ways on how to make money online, and then ChatGPT will generate its answer. So just have to wait. So we have the first one is freelancing, next is affiliate marketing, next one is online courses and tutoring, next e-commerce and drop shipping, and then the last one is the content creation for YouTube, blogging, podcasts. So all we have to do now is to simply copy this one by one. Okay, so let's focus on the highlighted topics. So let's go back to our Twitter post. And then once we're here, once we copy all of this important ways, we just have to open our Twitter account again. And then if we want to expand each topic, so we can ask ChatGPT to do that. So now let's go back here on our Twitter account. And as you can see, we have now the topics. So after that, you can also add another post. So right here, we are going to paste here now the link so that, for example, when someone make an interest in your post and then they want to get the book on how to get money online, so you just have to go back here and then make sure to copy the link of your book, and then of course the title of the book as well. Okay, so for example, if you want a better book for a better result, okay, so you just have to paste here the link. Okay, so you can buy this book, and then after that you just have to paste the link. Okay, so let's go back here and then copy the link from tiny URL, then let's paste it here. Then after that, you just have to click on post all. So when someone view your post and then they want to get the book, then they just have to click on the link and we are going to get our profit. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.